Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey and I'm a nutrition program coordinator from the Crim Fitness Foundation. Today's Food Navigator demonstration is a healthy recipe from Michigan Harvest of the Month called curry carrot salad. This is a delicious carrot salad that goes great on top of a turkey sandwich or even eaten by itself. Did you know that spices are a good way to add flavor and a little bit of nutrition to a recipe without adding any extra salt? And it's fun to experiment with new flavors. Curry powder has a strong taste, so be sure to start with a little and add more if you like it. Now let's see how we make this curry carrot salad. To make this curry carrot salad, you will need 4 medium carrots, shredded, a half of an onion, diced up, 1 medium apple, diced up, a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries or raisins, a half a teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of canola oil. The first thing you need to do is shred your carrots with a grater. Now that your carrots are shredded, you are going to dice your onion and chop your apple into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl with the shredded carrots. Now, in a small bowl, combine your curry powder, your salt, pepper, lemon juice, and canola oil. Let this mixture marinate for 5 minutes. Lastly, pour your liquid mixture over your carrot mixture, stir in your dried cranberries, mix well and serve immediately, or you can put it in the refrigerator and chill before serving. Enjoy! Be sure to check out the Flint Farmers Market to find fresh and locally sourced ingredients for this recipe and more.